Hi guys, in this video I will be talking about how you can import fonts into Final Cut Pro. So first of all, let me show you where you can find fonts. If you go to Final Cut Pro, open this up. I typically use the basic title, this one, and here you can see in the past I edited one video and now I deleted, so this is read that missing file. But basically if you go to any title and go here, you can see fonts that you can choose from, and these are all of the standard fonts. However, you can add custom fonts as well. So I would recommend two websites to use. First of all, dafont.com and 1001fonts.com. You can search for different fonts, and for example I have chosen the bold font to download. You can also see comments, free or not free, the number of downloads, and so on. So press download. This will come in a zip file. You would need to extract this, so I have already done so. Here you can see the bold font. Now open a different, let me open a new window. You can see I have two identical windows. So open applications and go to font book. Here you will be able to see what kind of fonts you have. And actually let me close the Final Cut Pro because you will need to restart the program. So press the plus sign and find the location where you have saved the new font. So let me go to downloads, date modified, and you can see these two files. So let me open this one. And there can be some error messages. If they pop up, just ignore them and continue. And this should have installed the font. So you could see that it was in all fonts, but I was not able to go to user because I did not have any fonts installed. So if you have this option, go to user and press the plus sign, but I don't think this really matters. Now that this has been installed, go back to Final Cut Pro. Let's wait up until the Final Cut Pro opens. Now let's go and select the title and go to font, and let's see, it's not here, but I think it will be at the bold. So let me scroll down. There you go, the bold font. So I can change this and it should be bold. So this is how you can change the font or add new font into Final Cut Pro. I hope that this quick tutorial has been helpful. You will be able to find many hundreds and thousands of fonts on the websites I've shown you. If you found this tutorial helpful, please remember to smash that like button, subscribe to the channel for more content like this, and see you guys in another video.